this is Scott from Powell. This week's maintenance tip is the application of pipe joint thread sealant and pipe dope.
You'll grab your high density tape and you'll put it on the threads in the direction of the threads that are going. So if the threads are facing away from you, you'll put it on counterclockwise. If the threads are facing towards you, you'll put it on clockwise. So you come in here, put this on. You'll want to stay about 2 threads back so you do not get the tape into the inside of the piping, and you'll want to make about 3 wraps. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Next, you'll grab your pipe dope. And you'll put a generous supply of pipe dope on here. What you're going to do with about a 1/16 of an inch of pipe dope all the way around the threads. Also trying to stay away 2 threads away from the end of the pipe so you do not get the pipe dope inside of the pipe. And there you go. This pipe is ready for installation. Stay tuned for next week's maintenance tip.